Akaki Akakevich was born, if my memory fails me not, in the evening on the 23rd of March. His mother, the wife of a government official and a very fine woman, made all due arrangements for having the child baptized. She was lying on the bed opposite the door. On her right stood the godfather, Ivan Ivanovich Eroshkin, and most estimable man, who served as the head clerk of the Senate, and the godmother, Arina Semyonovna Bailabrinskova, the wife of an officer of the quarter and a woman of rare virtues. They offered the mother her choice of 3 names, Makia, Sasiya, or that the child should be called after the Matia Hosdizit. No, said the god woman. All those names are poor. In order to please her, they opened the calendar at another place. 3 more names appeared, Tripfili, Dula, and Varakasi. This is awful, said the old woman. What names? I truly never had the like. I might have put up with Veridat or Verak, but not Tripfili and Varakasi. They turned to another page and found Persikehi and Vektizi. Now I see, said the old woman, what is plainly fate, and since such is the case, it will be better to name him after his father. His father's name was Akaki, so let his son's name be Akaki too. In his manner he became Akaki Akakevich. They christened the child, whereat he wept and made grimace, as well he foresaw that he was to be a titular consular.